Welcome to my channel, guys. Do you know that you can be monetized on Facebook posting people's video, and also can be demonetized on YouTube posting people's video? So guys, I know you guys click on this video because I said how to make money with people's video. So guys, I will tell you for free that you have to be on your own. You have to be you. You have to post your own video. You have to make your own video. Because I have been posting people video before I get to this 15k plus subscribers, getting to 16k thousand on YouTube. Because I was posting people's video and they keep reporting my account. I was demonetized on YouTube. So when I realized that I can make my own stuff, I can make my own video, so I started making my own video. That's how I grew on this channel. Nothing else. No amount of, the way you post people's video on your channel that will make them like monetize you with people's video. And let me tell you for free, you do know that people now are reporting people's accounts because they know that YouTube is paying a lot of money with their videos. So people out there now are being wicked, like reporting people's accounts. If they report your account, you get demonetized on YouTube and you will not make money again on YouTube. So for me, my advice to you guys is that stop posting people's video on your YouTube accounts. If you want to have a healthy YouTube account, and if you want to make money on YouTube accounts, and if you want your account not to be terminated or suspended, stop posting people video on your YouTube account. This is the only advice I have to tell you guys, because I have experienced it, and what I have experienced is what I will tell you guys, nothing else.